Okay, question number 31 on practice test 023. You're looking at this function graph, and it's asking which could be an equation for that graph. I'm going to go to Desmos quickly and let you take a look at what happens. If I have y equals x, obviously that's the line of identity. I can create different functions, like if I wanted to, this is x times x, or x squared. If I wanted to get this parabola to cross at 1, here's how I can do it. X minus 1, the opposite, close the parentheses. Now I've got two zeros. The first 0 is at 0, and the second 0 is at 1. A 0 for a polynomial is because it is the x-intercept, and the y is 0 for anything that crosses the x-axis. And so when you're looking at a function, you can actually write a function based on a graph that you're seeing. Okay, so there's 0, 0. And keep in mind what made that 0. And it is the x that you see right here in the function. X minus 1 made it cross at 1, 0. I can make it cross as many times. If I wanted to make it cross at positive 2, I'd have to write minus 2. I'm going to make it cross at negative 2 now, which means minus a negative 2. So x plus 2, close the parentheses. Okay, and you'll notice, look at the commonalities again. What made that one cross is x plus 2. The 0, when it crossed right there, that's x. And the 1, 0, or the 1 where it crossed here, I wrote x minus 1. So if I wanted to get this to cross at right here again, I'm going to loop it back around to cross at positive 3. I can type in x minus 3. Oops, no, look what I did. I typed it minus negative. I typed it twice. And so it's actually crossing at the wrong place. So let me go in and fix that. Backspace. There we go. Okay. Notice now it's crossing at positive 3, positive 1, 0, and negative 2. So back to this question. If you look, and it's not a pretty graph, but if you look at this graph, it's crossing at a positive a. So that's going to give you the factor x minus a. It's crossing at positive b. That will give you a factor of x minus b. It's also crossing at 0, which would be x minus 0, or x. So the factors of the function that could create this are f of x, or actually it's using y. Y equals x times x minus a times x minus b. And those are here. The answer is B.